Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to make this yummy cauliflower stir fry. Can you see how colorful this is looking? Let's go straight ahead and make this. First thing first, of course, you're going to need your cauliflower, then your vegetables. These are the ingredients I am using. I have my parsley, I have the cauliflower, the green beans, peas, carrots, peppers and onions. First of all, you're going to put in a little bit of oil in your pan. Then you boil water by the side and put it inside the cauliflower. Allow it to steam for a while. Then you can wash it. I'm now going to put in onions, fry for a while. Put in the peppers, fry for a while. Then I am going to put in my parsley leaf. You now go in with your green beans and peas, fry it for some time before putting in the carrots, fry for a while. Now it's time to put in the spices. Then you are going to put in the cauliflower. Make sure you drain the water from your cauliflower. Give this a very good mix. Do not overcook your cauliflower so that you get the best of the nutrients. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like and share. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye guys.